Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the WPDM Gutenberg Blocks add-on and how you can build download pages, category listings, user dashboards, and much more using Gutenberg Blocks. Before we get started, make sure that the WPDM Gutenberg Blocks add-on is installed and activated on your website. Once it's active, create a new page or edit an existing page, and let's explore all available WPDM blocks one by one. Let's start with the package block. Add the package block to your page. This block allows you to display a single download package anywhere on your website. After selecting the block, go to the right sidebar settings panel. From here, simply choose the package you want to display. You can also select the link template to control how the package appears on the front end. Next, let's explore the Packages block. This block is similar to the WPDM packages or category shortcodes, but provides a visual Gutenberg-based interface. After adding the block, you'll find a wide range of customization options in the right sidebar. You can set a custom title, include specific categories, include or exclude child categories, filter by tags, exclude tags or categories, filter packages by author, exclude packages from specific authors, enable or disable the toolbar, configure sorting and ordering options, choose a link template, enable pagination, set the number of columns for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This block gives you complete control over how download packages are displayed on your site. Now let's take a look at the category block. This block works similarly to the packages block, but focuses specifically on categories. Simply add the category names you want to display. On the front end, all packages from those selected categories will automatically appear. It's a very convenient way to create category-specific download pages. Moving on to category cards. There is one important requirement for this block. The category cards block comes from the WPDM archive page add-on, so make sure the archive page add-on is installed and activated. Once enabled, you can add the category cards block to your page. This block displays your download categories in a folder-style layout. Visitors will see category folders, and when they click on a folder, the packages inside that category are displayed just like files inside a directory. It's a very user-friendly way to organize and browse category-based downloads. Let's look at the sign-up form block. Now let's move on to the sign-up form block. This block allows you to create a front-end registration form. In the block settings, you can select which user role will be assigned when someone registers through the form. You can also add notes before the form, add notes after the form, upload and display your own logo. Next, we have the sign-in form block. With this block, you can create a custom login page. From the settings panel, you can specify a redirect URL after login, add the sign-up page URL, display your own custom logo. This helps maintain consistent branding throughout your website. Now, let's explore the search results block. This block creates a searchable download listing. You can decide whether packages should be displayed initially or if the list should remain empty until the user performs a search. Additional options include selecting a link template, choosing how many items appear per page, setting different column layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Once users enter a search query, matching download packages will appear automatically. Let's move on to the dashboard block. The dashboard block allows you to display the user dashboard anywhere on your website. You can configure a particular category to appear as a recommended section for users. The dashboard can also display users' favorite packages. Next, let's see how the All Downloads table block works. Please note that this feature is available with WPDM Pro. This block lets you build download tables visually without writing any code. To configure the table, click Add Columns and choose which package information you want to display. For each column, enter a custom column header, select the corresponding package data from the drop-down menu. You can also filter the table by categories and display only the downloads you want. This makes it easy to create professional download directories with searchable tables. Another useful block is the section block. This block helps you create structured layouts. Inside a section, you can insert other WPDM blocks or even standard Gutenberg blocks. You can customize the section layout, spacing, colors, and overall appearance according to your design requirements. This gives you greater flexibility when building complex download pages. WPDM blocks also include a powerful call to action block. This is extremely useful when you want to highlight important downloads, encourage registrations, promote premium content, or direct users toward specific actions. Finally, let's look at the drop-zone block. Please note that this feature is available with WPDM Pro. If you want to create a dedicated file sharing page, this block is perfect. Simply add the drop-zone block to your page. That's it. Visitors can then upload and share files with site administrators using a simple drag-and-drop interface. The best part is that users don't need administrator access to submit files. This makes drop-zone an excellent solution for collecting files, submissions, documents, or user-generated content. So that's a complete overview of the WPDM Gutenberg Blocks add-on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.